Let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our topic is all about percentile rank. What is percentile rank? In statistics, the percentile rank of a given score is the percentage of score in its frequency distribution that are less than or equal to that score. From the word percentile, percentage is involved. There's a percentile rank formula where PR is the percentile rank, so the answer will be a percentage, and N is a total frequency. P is the raw score or value for which one wants to find a percentile rank. LB is the lower boundary of the KTH percentile class. FP is the frequency of percentile class. CFP is the cumulative frequency of all the value below the critical value, and the I is the size of the class interval. To better understand this topic, let's have an example. Ma'am Joyce conducted a summative test in EST for all grade 10 students. One of her students is Genevieve Cordova, scored 93. What is the percentile rank of Genevieve's score? It is a group data, so there's a table. The first column are the ESP summative score in interval form. The second column contains the frequency. The third column is for the LB or the lower boundaries, and the last column is the CF, which means cumulative frequency. Let's solve for the third column of the lower boundary. Let's start at the top under the column of ESP summative score, which is the 95 to 99. To get the lower boundary, just subtract the lower limit by 0.5. Lower limit is the lower number, so lower limit of 95 to 99 is 95. The 95 minus 0.5 is equal to 94.5. The process is still the same. Next is the 90 to 94. The lower limit is 90, so 90 minus 0.5 is 89.5, and so on. To get the CF or cumulative frequency in the fourth column is you just need to copy the last number under the F or frequency column. The last number is 17, so copy the number and write it at the last row under the CF column. After copying, add the number in diagonal form. You should add the copied number 17 to 40. 17 plus 40 is equal to 57, and put your answer above the copied number 17 at the CF column. The process is still the same. Add 57 to 35 and write your answer above 57 under the CF column, and so on. The table is now complete, so let's proceed in finding the variables. The problem states about finding the percentile rank of 93, and 93 is within 90 to 94. So let's focus in the second row. Our LB is 89.5. Our P is 93 since we are finding for the percentile rank of 93. Our N is 120. Our FP, or frequency of percentile class, is 20. Our CFP, or the cumulative frequency below the critical value, look at the cumulative frequency 112. That is our cumulative frequency, but below is 92, so we should write 92. Last is the interval. Since 93 is within 90 to 94, just count to 90 until 94, and all in all is 5, so our I, or the interval, is 5. We are done in filling up our needed variable. There's a formula below that will serve as our guide in solving the test. Substitute all the variable in the formula and follow the PEMDAS rule and simplify. 100 divided 120 is 0.83. 93 minus 89.5 is equal to 3.5. 3.5 times 20 is equal to 70, and still copy the remaining number. 70 divided 5 is 14. Then add 14 to 92, and the answer is 106. Multiply 0.83 to 106. The answer is 106.83, and that's the final answer. Round off the answer, so it will become 107%. Last step is to interpret your result. Since our answer is 107%, therefore, 107% of the graded students' grade are less than the cumulative frequency of 112, while 5% of the grades are greater than the cumulative frequency of 112. The 5% is from subtracting 107 by 112, so it results to 5. To summarize, first step is to fill up the table, second is to fill up and get the variable, third is to substitute the variable to the formula and simplify, and last is to interpret the result. Thank you for watching and I hope you understand our topic. Bye-bye!